ṣe bọ́ọ̀lù òun ló lè mọ̀ wá wọn. À ń lékún sí ìwọ̀n òun wọ́n léjò sí ìwà àwọn lékún sí ìwọ̀n òun wọ́n léjò sí ìwà ọlọ́run ló lè mọ̀ wá wọn. Abẹnìyà káròrè òṣè ti gbọ́ ojú tó lé blog ní kẹ́mọ́ o ojú tó lé tẹlifíṣàn náà ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ò bá ti mọ ojú tó lé ẹ sáré lọ gbéná wá aláṣẹ ojú tó lé tv náà ni mo ń pariwo TFK Ajita Ofiki náà láláṣẹ ojú tó lé tv ẹ ṣáà ti máa gbọ́ wà á ti máa gbọ́ wà á ti máa rí ojú tó lé tv ojú tó lé tẹlifíṣàn ó wà káàkiri àgbáláyé ẹ máa wo ojú tó lé tv ní kẹ́mà.
Alólóńgì ní ti gàjà o lẹ́gbẹ̀rẹ́ olóńgì ní ti gàjà o ojú mi ti tó lé ojú mi ti tó kó ṣẹ́rí nílé àgọ́dọ̀ ojú tó lé tv ṣó ní kẹ́mà wò nílé ojú tó lé tv àwọn lèèyàn ṣáńkó àwọn lèèyàn gbogbo mi ó sì ṣàǹkàrí àgbáyé ojú tó lé tv má yìí kò tiẹ̀.
Whoever works with me that wants to go can go. Whoever wants to stay can stay. Please, I have to do this live video because it has to do with Jumoke. May her soul rest in perfect peace. I feel so sorry. I tried. Jide can't testify. I have to go, guys.
Sorry, yo.
Tell me, how do they end? Tell me, how do they end this? Hello, everyone. How are you all? God bless you. God bless you. I don't usually do this. I don't even like the word I don't usually do this, but I have to come live because it has to do with, you know, losing a family member. I'm surprised to see all the posts talking negative about me, saying I never cared, I don't like to give, I don't like to express. I'm not stressed because I've cried. Yes, we lost someone, I've cried. And then people have said a lot of nonsense. Like you all know, I'm a very positive person. I don't explain, I don't nag, I just move on. A lot of stones has been thrown at me. I just pack the stones, you know, and build a house with it. But over the years, it's been a lot. I'm human. At first I thought, okay, just keep quiet. Since you've reached out to the brother, you've explained, keep quiet. But I think at this junction, I need to talk. Because I just wished the CEO of Amen City Limited a happy birthday. And somebody commented on my page, may you bury your children. I think that is serious. Why? What have I done wrong? What? I'm doing this because I hold my fans dear to my heart. And you know, this social media era, you have to be careful. If you keep saying, I'm not going to talk, people will accuse you wrongly for what you did not do. You understand? People will say a lot of terrible things about you. And I'm not ready. Because I'm so unhappy. Jumoke, the late Jumoke Aderomu, I met her years ago as an actress, you know, gave her some roles. She featured in Jennifer's Diary. She featured in Indo Streets. And that was it. Acted her role, got paid, and left. So sometime, I can't remember, Jide Obano will remind me. So from the blues, I just messaged Jide because even after, you know, Jennifer's Diary is on a break. And we're not working on the project. So most of the cast we don't really see. Only once in a blue moon. So I just messaged Jide because Jide and Jumoke, they are close. They were close somehow. But I used to see them, they just share back then on set. I said, Jide, where is Jumoke da? He now go back to me and say, I'll come back for Sheni. Jide, you can remember when you come back that they should be calling her for jobs. And I said, where is Jumoke? They should be calling her for jobs. I said, okay, fine. Let's call her for a job. I said, okay, no problem, we'll call her for jobs. But you all know, after I tried called you, I've not done any project. You know, there are people like that, a lot of talents. I watch a lot of TikTok videos because I want to discover talents. It's my passion. So I just saw the post. Pascaline, Alex just reached out to me that they wrote something online. I said, oh, what is it? I just went there. Jumoke's brother was so upset. Nobody checked on Jumoke. I said, I know he's grieving. I know it's not easy to lose someone. I've lost my mom. Nobody know what I went through. I went through a lot. I was depressed losing my mom. I went through a lot. Okay. And I said, okay. So I reached out to the guy. I saw his post. I reached out. I'll put the post on my Insta story so you all can see. I said, oh, I'm so sorry you lost your sister. I feel your pain. I said, nobody told me that your sister was sick. Pascaline did not tell me anything. I said, I don't turn deaf ears to people that I need, that are next to me. I said, I see that they wrote there I don't help. I do help. But I don't make noise about helping. I don't like it. I give, I hate it. I don't like talking, shouting about giving. It's bad. Giving should be done privately. The ones you see me do online, I was on TikTok because I love TikTok a lot. I love to watch it before sleeping. So I have this family that they make me happy. I laugh, you know, they cook. You know, I love people. I love the grassroots people. So I watch their content a lot. You can see that in my movies. So I reached out to them. Oh, I want to sponsor your education. I give randomly, skit makers. I see people doing stuff. Support them. What more do you want me to do? Please. I have to do this because this has to do with somebody's life. I'm so happy because personally, you don't know what I'm going through. I work hard round the clock. People will say, oh, she doesn't support her colleagues. She doesn't attend events. I live in Amen Estate, Eleko. That's where my studio is. Before I drive down to Lekki or Ikoyi for an event, they're not going to finish the event. Please. I don't beef any filmmaker. I do my thing. I face where I'm going to. The records I've been able to break is by the grace of God. Do not forget, I've got my trying moments too. During COVID, remember, my mom passed on. Remember, politics, I was backlashed. Marriage, remember. Somebody now said you will lose your children. I think that's too much. I'm here trying to relax, trying to rest, to get my life together. I sent a message to that guy, Jumoke's brother. He saw it. He didn't reply. I said, oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't hear. I don't know anything about your sister. I don't know anything. I don't go to blogs. They send different things of blogs to me. As long as my name is not being mentioned. I do my thing. I face where I'm going to. Yes, I'm strict. I'm very strict. Yes. I will not take nonsense. I'm focused. Whoever works with me that wants to go, can go. Whoever wants to stay, can stay. Please. I have to do this live video. Because it has to do with Jumoke. May her soul rest in perfect peace. I feel so sorry. I tried. Jide can't testify. I have to go, guys. Tell me, how do they end? Tell me, how do they end this?
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. Subscription is free. You can call us on 0080 597807 for your event coverage. Thanks.